Ever wondered how the future of HR management and employee experience looks like? Prepare to be amazed. Welcome to a world where SAP SuccessFactors is revolutionizing the way we handle our human resources. This powerful suite of modules is a game changer, bringing a level of sophistication and ease that was previously unimaginable. From Employee Central to Learning and Development, from Performance and Goals to Recruiting and Onboarding, each module is designed to enhance and streamline the HR experience. But it's not just about making life easier for HR professionals. SAP SuccessFactors also significantly improves the employee experience, leading to greater job satisfaction, improved performance, and ultimately, a more successful organization. In this video, we'll delve into each module, exploring its features, benefits, and the transformative impact it can have on your HR management. So buckle up and join us as we explore each module and the benefits it brings to HR professionals and employees alike. Imagine a world where core HR tasks are simplified. Welcome to Employee Central. In the heart of SAP SuccessFactors lies Employee Central, a hub designed to revolutionize the way you handle human resources. It's not just a module, it's a game changer. Let's dive in and see how. At the very core, Employee Central simplifies the management of time off. It eliminates the need for back-and-forth emails, spreadsheets, and manual tracking. All requests, approvals, and records are centralized in one easy-to-use platform. Employees can request time off in a few clicks, and managers can approve or deny these requests just as easily. It's quick, transparent, and efficient. But Employee Central doesn't stop there. It also streamlines payroll management. It integrates seamlessly with your payroll systems, ensuring accurate and timely payrolls. No more late payments, no more errors, just smooth, efficient payroll operations. On top of that, Employee Central also helps manage benefits. It provides a comprehensive overview of all employee benefits, making it easy for HR to manage and for employees to understand. It even allows employees to make changes to their benefits directly through the platform, providing a level of control and transparency that is truly empowering. But what truly sets Employee Central apart is its ability to improve data accuracy. It's designed to eliminate manual data entry, reducing the risk of errors. It ensures that your HR data is always up to date and accurate, providing a reliable foundation for strategic decision-making. And let's not forget about its ability to streamline HR processes. With Employee Central, you can automate routine tasks, freeing up your HR team to focus on strategic initiatives. It makes HR operations smoother, faster, and more efficient, driving productivity and enabling growth. So, whether you're a small business looking to streamline your HR operations or a large corporation aiming to improve data accuracy, Employee Central is the tool for you. It's more than just a module. It's a revolution in HR management. Employee Central is your partner in managing HR tasks with precision and ease. In the age of information, continuous learning is key. Enter the Learning and Development module. In a world that's evolving at an unprecedented pace, it's crucial for organizations to foster a culture where learning is ongoing, skills are constantly honed, and compliance training is a staple. The Learning and Development module of SAP SuccessFactors is designed with precisely these objectives in mind. This module is not just a tool, it's a catalyst that accelerates the growth of your organization by empowering your employees. It sets the stage for them to learn, adapt, and thrive in their roles. But how does it do that? Imagine a platform where tailored learning programs are created, not just based on job roles or departments, but personalized to the individual's needs and career aspirations. The module enables this level of customization, ensuring that learning is relevant, engaging, and most importantly, impactful. Now let's talk about skill development. In the competitive business landscape, having a skilled workforce is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. The Learning and Development module helps you identify the skills gaps within your workforce and bridges them with targeted training programs. As a result, your employees are always equipped with the skills they need to excel in their roles and contribute to the organization's success. And then there's compliance training. With regulations constantly changing, staying compliant can be a daunting task, but not with the Learning and Development module. It keeps your organization ahead of the curve by offering comprehensive compliance training, ensuring that your employees are always aware of and adhere to the latest regulations. But it's not just about the organization, it's about the employees too. By fostering a culture of continuous learning and development, You're not just building a competent workforce, you're also showing your employees that their growth matters to you. And when employees feel valued, they are more engaged, productive, and loyal. So, whether it's learning new skills, developing existing ones, or staying compliant, the Learning and Development module has got you covered. It's more than just a tool. It's your partner in nurturing a competent and compliant workforce. Learning and Development, your tool for nurturing a competent and compliant workforce. How do you ensure your employees are on track and highly motivated? The Performance and Goals module has the answer. When it comes to managing a workforce, setting clear, attainable goals is essential. But it's not just about setting goals. It's about tracking them, managing them, and aligning them with the broader objectives of your organization. That's where the Performance and Goals module comes in. This module, part of the comprehensive SAP SuccessFactors suite, is designed to streamline the entire goal management process. It's like having a personal assistant for every member of your team, one that helps them set their goals, keep track of their progress, and stay motivated along the way. Imagine a world where your employees can easily set their individual goals and align them with your company's strategic objectives. A world where they can track their progress in real time, adjust their targets as necessary, and celebrate their achievements when they reach their goals. This isn't a distant dream, it's the reality that the Performance and Goals module can create for your organization. But it's not just about setting and tracking goals. This module also plays a vital role in keeping your employees motivated. By providing transparency and clarity, it helps your team members understand exactly what's expected of them and how their individual contributions fit into the bigger picture. It's a powerful tool for boosting morale and fostering a culture of high performance. And let's not forget about the management side of things. With the Performance and Goals module, managers can easily monitor the progress of their team members, provide timely feedback and support, and make informed decisions about resource allocation and performance incentives. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. So, if you're looking to foster a culture of high performance, if you want to keep your team members motivated and aligned with your company's objectives, then the Performance and Goals module is your answer. It's a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you manage your workforce, driving productivity and boosting morale along the way. Performance and Goals, your solution to a motivated, goal-oriented workforce. Recruiting the right talent and ensuring a smooth onboarding process is vital. The Recruiting and Onboarding module makes it a breeze. Now let's talk about the recruitment process. It's no secret that a company's success largely depends on the people it hires. But finding the perfect candidate for a role can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. This is where SAP SuccessFactors steps in. With its advanced recruiting module, the search for talent becomes more streamlined and efficient. It uses cutting-edge technology to scan and filter out resumes, ensuring that only the most suitable candidates make it to your desk. It helps you create compelling job descriptions that attract the right talent and aids in managing your company's career site. And let's not forget about the candidate relationship management feature, which helps maintain positive relationships with potential hires. Now let's move on to the onboarding process. First impressions matter, and the onboarding experience is often an employee's first impression of a company. SAP SuccessFactors understands this and ensures that the onboarding process is as seamless and effective as possible. It provides a personalized experience for each new hire, guiding them through the necessary paperwork, introducing them to their team, and ensuring they're set up with the necessary tools and resources. And it doesn't stop there. The module checks in with new employees at regular intervals, making sure they're settling in well and addressing any issues they may have. This is more than just a tool for HR. It's a tool for the entire company. It helps the HR team manage the recruitment and onboarding process more efficiently. It helps managers ensure their new hires are set up for success. And most importantly, it helps new employees feel welcomed and supported from day one. The result? A company that attracts and retains top talent. A company that people want to work for. A company that's set up for success. With recruiting and onboarding, attracting and retaining top talent is no longer a challenge. So, what does all this mean for HR professionals and employees? Let's take a quick recap. Through SAP SuccessFactors, we've seen a revolution in HR management, with modules like Employee Central, Learning and Development, Performance and Goals, and Recruiting and Onboarding. We've seen how it streamlines every aspect of HR. But it's not just about efficiency. It's about making lives better. For HR professionals, SuccessFactors is a tool that simplifies and enriches their work. It gives them the power to manage employees effectively, develop talent strategically, and recruit the best candidates seamlessly. For employees, it's about empowerment. SuccessFactors allows them to navigate their careers, learn new skills, and achieve their goals. It's a platform that fosters a positive work culture and enhances the employee experience. In essence, SAP SuccessFactors is transforming the HR landscape, making it more human-centric, more effective, and more enjoyable. SAP SuccessFactors, the future of HR management and employee experience, is here.